Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macaroni salad with mayonnaise. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 1 and 1/2 cups of mayonnaise, and various seasonings. We will start by cooking the pasta, then move on to crafting the rich, tangy dressing. Finally, we will combine everything and discuss the crucial chilling process for optimal flavor. Achieving the right pasta texture is key for a great macaroni salad. Boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 9 minutes. This ensures the pasta holds its shape and doesn't become mushy. After cooking, drain it well and rinse immediately with cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. Now, let's create the heart of our macaroni salad, the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 and 1/2 cups of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Incorporate 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar for a balanced tang and sweetness. Finally, fold in finely diced celery, red onion, and bell pepper for delightful texture and fresh flavor. With your macaroni cooled and your dressing ready, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the pasta into the large bowl with the creamy dressing, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated. This step is crucial for flavor distribution. Once mixed, cover the salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a truly delicious macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.